Hey y'all, it's Gina Rodriguez here, and I'm about to open the winter box, editor's edition. Can't even handle it, so excited, FabFitFun. Let me tell you something though. Everything in here is valued over $200. With my code, you get it for $39.99. You guys, I'm so super excited. All right, let's see what's in the editor's box. Oh, you thought I was gonna show you. Of course. Here we go. Here it is. Ooh, oh! Hold up. Okay, so y'all, I live for a face mask. We have some bright lights in our bedroom, and let me tell you, give me all the things, okay? Love me a face mask. What do we got here? Oh, eye mask. Okay, so my incredible makeup artist, does this look crazy? We're gonna keep it there anyway. So my incredible makeup artist puts on really dope under eye patches, masks all the time for me. I absolutely love them, and I can't wait to try what we got here. Oh, there's many of them. There's not only just, there's 4. I'm done. I'm taking them home. Okay, I'll finish. This is awesome. Love me an eye mask. Let's see what else we got up in here. Ooh, yes. Body wash infused buffer beyond cleansing. You just add water and this deliciousness is, ooh, all over your body. Super, super into this. Yep. Fleur de sel. Ooh, Jonathan Adler, we know you expensive too. I know about you, boo. You are mad expensive, so I'm all about this. Here we go. Let's see what we got. We got a beautiful candle. Yes. See, because his packaging. I mean, look at how beautiful this is. Oh. I mean, you know we're ready. Here we go. What else do we have here? Grace and Stella, spray all day. Hey. Spray all day. Rose facial spray, hydrating. You thought I was gonna mess up this makeup right now? No, but for you. Oh, that's delicious. That's beautiful. I love that. Give you a little pep, midday pep. Stone Cold Fox. Give me a notebook all day, especially because I've been writing down everything I'm grateful for, all the things I appreciate in my life. It's a habit that I started getting into recently, and it's very helpful. I do it along with my meditation, so I'm really excited to start this month with my Stone Cold Fox. What else do we have here? Oh, Bluetooth shower speaker. What? Okay, so you don't know this, but I straight up take calls in the shower. Not important ones, just personal ones, like my hubby, because he doesn't ever want to leave my side. Now, I get to take calls and listen to my music. Yes, this is gonna be awesome. Can't wait to do this by ban.do. Love me some ban.do. And last but not least, lights, camera, action, lashes. Yes. You know, I love me some lashes. And Tarte is fancy. I mean, look at this cuteness. Look at this cuteness. What? I love the face that we make when we put on mascara. Don't act like you don't do this. You know we all do. I ain't mad at you. I do it too. All right, y'all. That is the awesome editor's box. Like I said, if you use my code, $39.99, valued over $200. Can't beat that. Use my code. Get it now. What are you still doing watching this? Go get your box. Go get your box.